Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll explore how Alaskan reindeer sausage is made, its culinary uses, and where to find authentic versions. Looking for unique appetizer ideas? Reindeer sausage can be the star of your next gathering. It's perfect for creating memorable small bites. These options are simple to prepare and full of flavor. Try these appetizer and snack ideas. Sausage rolls. Wrap small pieces of cooked reindeer sausage in puff pastry and bake until golden. These are always a crowd pleaser. Sliders. Form mini patties from ground reindeer sausage. Serve them on small buns with some caramelized onions and a dab of mustard for flavorful sliders. Grilled skewers. Cut reindeer sausage into bite-sized pieces and thread them onto skewers with colorful vegetables like bell peppers and zucchini. Grill until cooked through for a delicious snack. Where to find authentic Alaskan reindeer sausage? Finding real Alaskan reindeer sausage can be an adventure, much like exploring Alaska itself. You want to make sure you are getting the true experience. Knowing where to look and what to look for makes all the difference. Let's explore the best places to find this unique product. Local Alaskan markets and butchers. When you visit Alaska, stopping at local markets and butcher shops is your best bet for finding fresh, authentic reindeer sausage. These places often work directly with Alaskan reindeer herders. This means the sausage you buy is likely to be very fresh and genuinely Alaskan. You also get the chance to talk to the people who make it or sell it. They can tell you about the history of the sausage and how to best prepare it. Look for shops in cities like Anchorage, Fairbanks, or Palmer. Farmers markets during the summer months are also great places. You might find small, family-owned businesses offering their own recipes. These local spots give you the true taste of Alaska. Specialty food stores. Outside of Alaska, your search might lead you to specialty food stores. These shops often focus on unique or gourmet ingredients. They sometimes import products from specific regions, including Alaskan reindeer sausage. You might find it in the frozen meat section. Look for stores that pride themselves on sourcing unusual or high-quality meats. The staff there can often guide you. They might have information about the origin of their products. It's a good idea to call ahead to see if they stock it. This saves you a trip if they don't have it. Online retailers. For those not in Alaska or near specialty stores, online retailers are a convenient option. Many Alaskan businesses now sell their reindeer sausage directly to consumers across the country. This means you can have it shipped right to your door. When buying online, it is important to check a few things. Shipping. Make sure they offer proper insulated shipping to keep the sausage frozen. Reviews. Read customer reviews to ensure product quality and reliable delivery. Origin. Look for clear statements that the sausage is made with Alaskan reindeer meat. A quick search for Alaskan reindeer sausage online will show you several options. Always buy from reputable sellers. What to look for to ensure authenticity. When you are ready to buy, how do you know you are getting the real deal? Authenticity matters when it comes to regional specialties like reindeer sausage. There are a few key things to check. First, look for clear labeling. The packaging should state that the reindeer meat is sourced from Alaska. Some producers might even name the specific region or farm. This transparency is a good sign. Second, consider the ingredients list. Authentic reindeer sausage often features a simple list of ingredients. This means reindeer meat, some pork or beef fat to add moisture, and a blend of spices. Be wary of long lists with unfamiliar additives. Ingredients. Reindeer meat should be the primary ingredient. Origin. Look for product of Alaska or similar text. Producer information. Reputable companies usually provide their contact details. Finally, trust your instincts. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Genuine Alaskan reindeer sausage is a premium product. It reflects the unique environment and careful processing it undergoes. Storing and cooking your reindeer sausage. You've got your authentic Alaskan reindeer sausage. Now what? To truly enjoy its unique flavor, knowing how to store and cook it properly is key. This lean meat benefits from specific handling, ensuring it stays fresh and tastes its best when it hits your plate. Proper storage techniques. Keeping your reindeer sausage fresh starts the moment you get it home. Proper storage makes all the difference in maintaining its flavor and quality. Think of it like preserving a precious ingredient. It deserves a little care. To keep your sausage in top condition, consider these methods. Refrigeration. If you plan to use the sausage within a few days, keep it in the coldest part of your refrigerator. Always store it in an airtight container or its original vacuum-sealed packaging. This prevents it from picking up other food odors and keeps it fresh. Aim to use it within 3 to 4 days for best quality. Freezing. For longer storage, freezing is your best friend. Reindeer sausage freezes beautifully. Wrap individual links or patties tightly in plastic wrap, then place them in a freezer-safe bag. Squeeze out any excess air to prevent freezer burn. Properly frozen, it can last for up to 6 months without a significant loss in quality or taste. Thawing. When you're ready to cook, thaw the sausage slowly in the refrigerator overnight. This gentle method helps maintain the meat's texture and prevents excessive moisture loss. Avoid thawing at room temperature, as this can encourage bacterial growth. If you're in a hurry, you can use the cold water method. Place the sealed sausage in a bowl of cold water, changing the water every 30 minutes until thawed. Best cooking methods for different applications. Reindeer sausage is quite versatile, but its leanness means it cooks a bit differently than fattier sausages. Knowing the right cooking method for your dish will help you achieve perfect results every time. Don't worry, it's simpler than you might think. Here are some popular cooking methods to try. Grilling gives reindeer sausage a fantastic smoky flavor and a nice char. Because it's lean, use medium heat to avoid drying it out. Preheat your grill to medium. Place the sausage links over indirect heat if possible, or turn them frequently. Cook until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on thickness. A simple way to check for doneness without a thermometer is to look for firm texture and no pink in the center. Pan frying is a quick and easy method, perfect for breakfast links or crumbled sausage. Heat a light coating of oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the sausage links or crumbled meat. Cook, turning occasionally, until browned on all sides and cooked through. Crumbled sausage will cook faster, around 5 to 7 minutes. For links, expect about 10 to 12 minutes. The target internal temperature is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Baking is ideal if you're cooking a larger batch or want a hands-off approach. It helps cook the sausage evenly without much fuss. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the sausage links on a baking sheet. You can line it with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through, until cooked through. Check for that 160 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. Simmering is great for dishes like stews, soups, or sauces. Brown the sausage lightly first in a pan to develop flavor. Then, add it to your simmering sauce or broth. Let it cook gently with the rest of your ingredients until heated through and the flavors have melded. This ensures the sausage stays tender and adds its unique taste to the entire dish. No matter how you prepare it, remember that reindeer sausage is a lean meat. Avoid overcooking, as this can make it dry. A meat thermometer is your best friend for perfect results every time. Enjoy your taste of Alaska. Alaskan reindeer sausage offers a genuinely unique culinary experience. It's distinct, rich flavor and lean texture reflect its origins in the last frontier. This sausage carries a deep cultural history, connecting you to Alaska's indigenous communities and their way of life. From hearty breakfasts to elegant main courses, its versatility in the kitchen is unmatched. Trying Alaskan reindeer sausage is more than just tasting a new food, it's a step into the heart of Alaskan tradition and flavor. Give it a try and discover this remarkable delicacy for yourself. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.